This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Shauna Lane. Just bring yourself. Conveniently located in Central Virginia Beach just off Lynnhaven Pkwy, minutes away to access I-64, shopping mall, and the oceanfront. Walk into an open and inviting floor plan with an updated kitchen, granite countertops, newer fixtures, stainless steel appliances, and more. Upstairs features an amazing primary suite with updated bath, 2 more spacious bedrooms and full bath. Enjoy the large back patio, private storage shed, 6 feet privacy fence. Don't forget the amenities that include 3 community pools, 10 community parks, clubhouses and grilling areas. This is it, just bring yourself today. For more information